Hi, and welcome to our Project Management Companion series of presentations. We hope you find them both informative and useful. This presentation discusses the project management process by describing procedures for evaluating and selecting projects during the initiation phase. First, we must outline the criteria for project selection models and then discuss the general nature of these models. From this basic overview, we can describe the types of models in use and their advantages and disadvantages. Considering the degree of uncertainty associated with many projects, you should concentrate on selection model concerned with risk and uncertainty. Finally, some general comments regarding data requirements and the use of these models. You should always cover the documentation of the evaluation or selection process via project proposals and the general trend of selection models in the past and for the probable future. The following specific points are important when selecting/evaluating a project. Primary model selection criteria are realism, capability, flexibility, ease of use, and cost. Preparatory steps in using the model include identifying the firm's objectives, weighting them relative to each other, and determining the probable impacts of the project on the firm's competitive abilities. Project selection model can generally be classified as either numeric or non-numeric. Numeric models are further subdivided into profitability and scoring categories. Non-numeric models include the sacred cow, the operating necessity, the competitive necessity, and comparative benefit. Profitability models include such standard forms as payback period, rate of return, discounted cash flow, and profitability index. Scoring models, there are many to choose from, but we recommend the unweighted 0 to 1 factor model, the unweighted factor scoring model, the weighted factor scoring model, the constrained weighted factor scoring model, Dean and Nashri's model, and goal programming with multiple objectives. For handling uncertainty, pro forma documents, risk analysis, and simulation with sensitivity analyses are all helpful. Special care should be taken with the data used in project selection models. Of concern are data taken from an accounting database, how data are measured and conceived, and the effect of technological shock. Project proposals generally consist of a number of selections: the technical approach, the implementation plan, the plant or logistics support and administration, and past experience. The history of project selection model has shown an increase in the use of formal models, particularly profitability models. We feel the future will extend the use of multiple criteria and simulation models, especially with the wide use of microcomputer. In the next presentation we will consider the selection of the appropriate manager for a project and what characteristics are most helpful for such a position. We will also address the issue of the project manager's special role, and the demands and responsibilities of this critical position. Until next time, we hope you keep on top of your projects. All the best, from the team at projectmanagementcompanion.com.